Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, your construction trained realtor, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification. And it's always so important to have a construction trained realtor with you throughout the process because let's face it, whether the house is being built and it's going to take 5 months, 8 months, or a year, or the house is in inventory, which means that the house is pretty much ready to go, or it's at some point of construction, or you're even purchasing a resale house, it's so important to have a realtor with you that can help you to identify construction defects, issues with homes. That's just so important along the way. When you hire a realtor that doesn't have that sort of certification, licensing, training, whatever it may be, as part of their background, you're at a huge disadvantage. Now, please check out the video at the end for a little bit more information about that. And if you think that insurance is going to fix whatever's wrong with the house in the future, well, think again. Insurance will not cover many things wrong with the house, and then of course your insurance is going to go up in price. So you want to try to find as many issues as possible before you purchase a house. Now, with that said, it's extremely expensive to hire contractors. If you're a first-time home buyer and you've never hired a plumber, an electrician, a roofer, a stucco company, a siding company, you should probably call them and see just how much it costs. It can cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars just like that very quickly. So you always want to have a house that's well built. Now, I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for or represent any home builders. Builders want the realtor to be with the buyer from the start. Okay, some of them might not care as much. So if you have already been to a sales office and you want me to help you, please reach out and contact me, and I can see if I can still assist you. It's very important. A lot of people are saying hi as they're driving by. I think when I do this, they think I'm waving to them. Because literally, I've noticed today, I've had my hand up like this, and people are like slowing down, and then they're waving, and they're going by. So anyway, this house in the back of me is the, I don't know if it's Lucia or Lucia model from Casa Fresca. Looks like a beautiful house. I'm excited to see it. I don't know if I have. I don't think so. I think I've seen this though in an inventory house, but the model does look beautiful, at least from the outside. I like the colors. It's kind of different looking. Okay, so let's go inside and have a... I hear chickens. I don't know if the microphone's picking up, or rooster. There's definitely chickens. Let's go run and find the chickens. Yep. I knew I was hearing that, and it was kind of low because obviously I was far away. So I'm gonna go in and take a look at this model, and I guess rather than I was gonna do like the Andre the Giant method and just step over the bushes. Instead, I'm gonna just kind of, well, so I could still step over them. All right, so let's go inside and check out this house.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
Very nice model. I like it. So full bathroom on the first floor, and we have a bedroom over here. So if you've been watching my videos, I'm already starting to like this house. pretty large closet. And did I open this? Yeah, it's a closet. And what is this? Going to be storage under the stairs, maybe? Yes, it is. That's pretty good. Lots of space. And what do we have here? We have... Okay, it's TV music. Hopefully that's not YouTube. YouTube's going to flag this kind of music. Okay, so pretty big room, as you could see. Living room, kitchen, and dining room. And we do not have a covered lanai. It looks like they put a soffit over here. Let's go to the pantry. That's your pantry. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Yeah, I believe I've been in this floor plan when it was an inventory house, and I think I've been in it more than once, to be quite honest. But everything looks kind of different as an inventory, of course. Let's see, what do we have here? Master bedroom. Oh, that's a big room, look at that. Lots of space next to the bed. Not sure what kind of bed this is. I assume it's some kind of king. This feels nice, this bathroom. It just feels nice and wide, nice and spacious. I like the floors. Toilet in the closet. Shower. Ah, yes, and a big walk-in closet. Look at that. Another shot of your loft. Laundry room. Yeah, so you got a larger size laundry room. What's this going to be, I wonder? Ah, HVAC. Nice large bedroom. Let's see what the closet looks like. Another large bedroom. That's right, this house has large bedrooms. Shared bathroom. That's a big closet, wow. This closet is huge. So let's see, where does this closet end? I think, does it go past the outlet? It's somewhere I guess it's somewhere around where that outlet is, maybe. Well, maybe. Yeah, no, I think it's probably somewhere over here is where it ends. So, that closet is taking up the whole length of the wall. Okay, so let's talk about this house. Who is it for? Well, I think if you have a large family, or if you just want a house that has large bedrooms, this is it. I mean, each of these rooms these are big rooms. I would imagine each of them is probably at least 13 feet by something, because they're big rooms. So the laundry room isn't the largest laundry room. It's definitely not the smallest by far. The master bedroom is big. This is a very big master bedroom. So you got this big master bedroom. And then, like I said, the closet just feels very spacious. Not the closet, the bathroom feels very spacious. But then you walk into this big closet. So you got a big closet where, I mean, if you had to put a little crib in here for a baby, you very easily could. So very large master bedroom and closet. I like that. And then the loft, you got a great loft. Check that out. So with the loft, you have 4 walls that you could set up a nice home theater. And I like the steps because you have a landing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to the top, and then we have this landing, and then it looks like, I don't know, whatever's here, maybe 8 steps or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps. So not a lot of steps to go up at once. Kitchen, living room, and dining room. It's a big house. Because then there's this bedroom too down here. So this is a great house that if you were buying it at a later point of your life where you're considering not moving again, this could be perfect for that, because there is a bedroom and you have a bathtub on the first floor. So just something to keep in mind. And then you can have a younger family living upstairs. Let's see, what was the issue? Check the sign again. Now I'm going to do the Andre the Giant thing. Only 2,420 square feet. 5 beds, 3 beds, 2-car garage. I mean, it just feels so much larger than that. I'd have to look at it again to try to understand why. Because it feels like a 3,000 square foot house. That's pretty impressive. Well, maybe the loft is a little bit smaller. There goes the